Okay, here we are at another yard, and I was going to show you what I'm going to do on this one. This is about hydrotilling again. This is your standard yard. It's got a little bit of moss on the driveway. The grass is very thick. Weeds are all the way around it. It's been a couple of days since it got mowed for sure. There's a lot of different species of this and that, and here and there. It's your standard yard. Dun, dun, dun. It's the jungle. What's really hard about this one, it's been such a long time since it's really been mowed. Everything's really uneven. There's garbage can lids in here. You know, it's not really a lawn anymore. I think that was a tree once. But this grass is thick. It's well over 2 feet tall. There's a branch up there. Hi, neighbor. Anyhow. And then all this will be gone. So basically, the grass is never going to grow again over here. It's obvious. Because all there is a species that won't. Anyway, so here we are. We'll see how it goes. I'll show you the after video. Till then, have a great day.